Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a tax refund online in Jamaica. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for a refund. Next, gather all your essential documents, such as income statements and receipts, to streamline the process. Finally, we will navigate to the Tax Administration Jamaica e-service portal to begin your application. This guide will help you complete your submission efficiently and correctly. Before you start, have your taxpayer registration number, or TRN, handy. You will also need all your income statements, like Form S-04, and any other tax certificates that support your claim. It is crucial to verify your bank account details, including the account number and bank name, to ensure your refund can be directly deposited without any delays. Double-checking these items saves time. Once you are on the Tax Administration Jamaica e-service portal, log in using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to register first. After logging in, find the section specifically for tax refund applications. Carefully enter all the requested financial and personal information, ensuring accuracy to avoid any processing issues. Take your time with each field. Before clicking Submit, thoroughly review all the information you have entered. Any errors could delay your refund. Once submitted, make sure to save your application confirmation number. This is vital for tracking. You can then monitor the status of your refund directly through your Taj e-service account. This allows you to stay informed about its progress until completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.